Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make this fun tie-dye shirt. It was so much fun to create and I want to make sure that you know how to do this too. So let's get started. You're going to grab your shirt. In this case, I have a tank top for one of our sweet friends. And what you want to do, you want to grab it from the middle, pinch it from the middle, and you're going to begin to twist around like I did. You want to make sure that it's nice and tight, that it looks like that. Try to squeeze all the parts from the shirt all the way around. And what you want to do, you want to grab some rubber bands and we're going to begin to make some sort of cross. And you do want to make sure that it is aligned pretty well. I like to create about 6 to 8 pizza slices, if you want to call it. So as you're adding the rubber bands, make sure that you're squeezing a lot of the cloth inside. And so basically that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that they're all squeezed nice and tight in there, and that of course both sides look evenly split, just like that. Now you're going to grab your favorite tie-dye colors and you're going to begin to do one section at a time. And remember to dilute your colors as well, because a lot of the times you do want to add the color just like it says on the box on the bottles, but sometimes they might come out too strong, so you want to dilute them, or you want to maybe take off a little bit of the powder and then add water and then use the same powder, and then add the powder as you go. That's what I did in my case. For some of the bottles, I did take off some of the dye and then just added water, and then I had enough to save for the other ones. But anyways, back to the coloring. You want to make sure that each section that you did matches the bottom section as well, as you can tell. Okay, so now we're going to move to another color, and the cool thing is that you want to make sure, if you're not sure what colors to use, you can always Pinterest or just look on YouTube. Shh, I have my daughter in the back and she's a little louder, so sorry you guys. But you want to make sure that you use your color theory so you can make awesome colors. If you do want to go with more darker tones, then stick with those dark colors, just because if not, it's going to come out looking like a brown, and I don't think you're going to want to have that like on a tie-dye shirt. But right now we're just working with this fuchsia color. It's so pretty. I'm trying to get both sides. And what I did, I'm kind of going across too, so that way I have an evenly match, just it's all evenly matched. I am kind of inserting the bottle inside as well, so we can grab a lot of the color in between, like right inside the shirt. So that's basically what I'm doing. And now I'm going to go with my fun green. And again, I repeat, I did dilute some of these bottles because a lot of these colors are so pigmented that you want to make sure that they don't come out too dark. So the way you do that is you remove a little bit of the tie-dye powder inside, set it on the side, and then just a little bit that's already left on the bottle, just add water up to the line where you can see that purple bottle. There's a black line that shows you there. That's how much water you want to put. What I did do also, though, I put water halfway and then I shook it and then added more water, so then everything was easily dissolved all over the bottle. Yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. So we're adding this fun green tone. It's so cute. I am so excited to show you guys the final result. So that's basically what we're doing. I'm kind of picking up anything, like any excess that's been on the bottom, just so we don't waste any color. And then I added this blue. This is so cute. I actually used that blue on a white t-shirt too, so I only did just white and that blue, and it was so cute. And you guys are going to see this at the end, the very end of the video, to see that result of that shirt that I made. Now, as you can see, you're looking at those colors that are mixing with each other, and that's perfectly okay. I actually loved it. It's part of the fun. You're kind of starting to see already the colors. They're looking super cute. And again, squeeze all the way inside to make sure that when you open it, there's not that much of the white remaining. Like, you know, you don't want to, well, you do want to see a lot of the white, but it's okay. But you can just, you know, squeeze that in there. So now you're going to grab a Ziploc, and look at all my nasty mess on the bottom, but it's okay. You're going to grab a Ziploc bag, and you're going to insert your item in there. You're going to seal it, and it says typically everybody leaves it for 6 to 8 minutes, but I personally like to leave it for at least 24 hours, which is fine. So yeah, so you're going to leave it overnight. Now, this is already another shirt that I had already made, and this was from the day before, so it's around the same colors that I used. It's a bigger shirt though, that's for me. Again, the one I used previously was for my daughter's friend that we made for, but basically this one is the same thing. It's just in a bigger version. So you definitely want to put your gloves on because it's going to be really messy. You want to remove the band-aids very, very slowly, because if you take them off really like fast, it's just going to splatter paint all over the place. But look at how cute this colors came out. I did the spiral technique. Again, I pinched from the middle because that's what's going to be making the spiral design on your shirt. And so I'm just turning them around, that way you guys can kind of see. I'm so excited. So now let's get ready to rinse off the excess of the, oh my gosh, can I talk? Any excess that, and oh my gosh, I cannot say this, any leftover tie-dye, guys, any leftover paint of any of the dye, just let's get rid of that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, so as we're doing this, as we're removing all the extra color, you want to make sure that well, not you want to make sure, but what you want to do next is you want to get some detergent and add some detergent onto your shirt. A lot of people put it in the washer and they add the detergent, but honestly, that's just me personally. I feel it's a waste of energy just for one shirt, so I just did it by hand. So let's just wait for all this color to go away. It's just it's coming off slowly but surely. It's so fun, guys. Okay, so basically we're already seeing the water coming out clearly, and that's a big sign that that it's, you know, that you're ready to pretty much go to the next step. So just a couple more squeezes, a couple more rinses, and we should be getting ready to get your detergent. You're only gonna need a little bit of detergent. Don't use a lot, but with the detergent, it's gonna squeeze out more of the color as well. So that's why you want to use that as well. We are not mixing this with regular laundry clothes. Like once you wear it and it gets dirty, I just don't want to mess up all my other clothes, so basically that's it. But anyways, so you want to pour some detergent. I just did it on my hand. Basically that's the amount that I used. Rubbed it all over and just begin to squeeze it as well. You are totally free to fast forward this whole part, but I find this very soothing, so to me, I am just gonna keep watching. But you see all the colors are still very bold and vibrant, and I just loved it. So I'm excited. guys, this is the final look. Look at how cute the colors are. I absolutely loved it. You can see the design, and then this is the one that I was showing you at the beginning of how to fold, the little version. It's so cute, guys. You guys need to try this. So much fun. And check out the one that I told you that I had made. Thanks for watching.